everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making, from scratch, cranberry sauce. This is the easiest condiment that you're gonna make for your holidays, and it's so good. You will not forget to put it out with your holiday turkey. Let's get started. So to make your cranberry sauce, I usually use fresh cranberries, and if you can't find fresh cranberries, you can definitely use frozen fresh cranberries. Don't get like the cranberry puree or anything. So these are frozen cranberries here in the bag. This is what they look like when they're starting to thaw. They look exactly like the cranberries that you'll get at your grocery produce section. I don't know why I can't find cranberries anywhere right now, but these work in a pinch. You're also going to need an orange. I like to use a navel orange, but really any orange will do. Lemon, and a Granny Smith apple. Granny Smith is always a super tart apple, perfect for offsetting kind of the sweetness that you get from the sugar. You're also going to need sugar and water. That's it, super simple, really easy to make. So I have a saucepan here. It's already preheating, and we're going to add our cranberries. So you're just gonna dump them all in. We're just gonna give it a little stir. Now we're gonna add the sugar. And we're also going to pour in the water. And you just wanna give this a stir, just to get everything started. This is one of my favorite things to make for the holiday, and it's so silly. It's one of the very first recipes that I learned how to make for the holidays. And what's gonna happen, once our cranberries start to heat up, they're going to burst. So they'll start to burst and separate, and it starts to get a little thick and syrupy. So cranberries are really tart, so don't pull back on the sugar. I know it's a lot of sugar, but the tartness of the cranberries is really overpowering if you don't have enough sugar in there. So we're just gonna peel our apple, and then we're gonna cut it up. The apple has pectin in it, and pectin is kind of what they use when you make jam. Pectin in an apple is natural, but it also helps your cranberry sauce gel a little bit. All right. It's okay if you don't have all of the peel off. And then we're just gonna chop up our apple. The smaller the pieces, the more pectin will release into your cranberry sauce. So we're definitely seeing more cranberries pop open. This was always my potluck contribution for the holidays when I was younger. There was a time when I didn't know how to cook anything, but I could make a mean cranberry sauce. We're gonna add the apples, and then just give that a stir. And now we're going to zest our orange. So you want to use the zest and the juice of one orange. And when you squeeze your orange and your lemon over, you want to catch any seeds. This doesn't really seem to have a lot of seeds, but you don't want your seeds in your cranberry sauce. You can see it starting to get thick. This whole recipe takes about 15 minutes, and it's something that you can make up to 5 days in advance. So make this maybe when you're planning your holiday meal. Just make sure this is taken care of first. Get it out of the way. Stick it in the back of the fridge. Don't forget about it. I love when I go to the table and it's like, where's the cranberry sauce? It's always in the back of the fridge because it's the first thing I make. Everybody tends to forget about it. Now I'm just gonna zest up this lemon. Lemon zest in. Cut your lemon in half. Catch those seeds. If you have a stubborn lemon, you can definitely pop the lemon into your microwave for about 10 seconds. That'll definitely loosen up some of the juice that's being stubborn and doesn't want to come out. Give that a stir. And let this boil for about 5 or 10 more minutes. It'll kind of gel up once it chills. So you let this chill for about 6 to 12 hours or up to 5 days. One thing I do want to note, fresh versus frozen. The frozen cranberries do give off a lot, they let out a lot more seeds than if you were to use a fresh cranberry. Don't be alarmed, it's not anything to worry about. You're gonna eat those seeds anyway. They're just kind of out into your sauce more than they would be if you use a fresh cranberry. I don't know why. I don't know the science behind it. I just know that from testing it both ways, I definitely have a much seedier cranberry sauce with frozen cranberries. So we're just gonna take this off the heat, and you wanna transfer it to an airtight container, pop it in your refrigerator. If you're eating it tomorrow, it'll definitely be thick and syrupy, just like a sauce. Our cranberry sauce has sat overnight. I had it in the refrigerator all night. It's ready to go. You can see the apple chunks and the big pieces of cranberry still in there. They don't all break down, which makes it look like super pretty. I'm gonna take a taste. That's so good. It is perfect for your holiday dinner and super easy to make. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.